Hi!
Hey y'all, it's Mindy
And Morgan.
and we are here to show y'all something new that we have.
What is this? What is this, you guys?
What is it?
What does it look like? Do you guys know?
It is a Ringletts Buff,
Buff.
and it is the most amazing thing that you could do to save your hair at night.
Yes.
If your hair is medium, short to long, you wear this buff at night and it literally keeps your curls and keeps your hairstyle intact.
Yes.
So we're going to show you how to put it on.
Yes.
So at night, right before you go to sleep, let's see. Go ahead, just put it on your head.
Got it around your neck. No.
Right? You're going to turn upside down.
Yeah. Making sure all your hair is,
Up. Okay, so turn upside down. I'm gonna literally pull it on her, on top of her head. So it's like a tube, and she's gonna sort of like this. Do you see that, everybody? You see that? So she's kind of looking like a little Nefertiti. Now, if your hair is long, it's gonna feel more of the space, and all your hair is piled on top of your head. So that means you're not smushing your curls. If you have a bonnet on and sleep, you're smushing your hair, so your hair ends up smushing. This way, your hair is on top of your head, everything is pushed up, and it's elongating all of this.
And keeping the volume. So you guys, when you take this off, it's gonna be amazing because all you might have to do is work this. The volume is there.
Right. So we slept, okay? Now it's morning time. Go down a little bit, let me just pull it off. Once you pull off, you see how everything's going up? Then you shake and shake and shake and shake. And then the only thing that you have to do then is take your fingers and pull your sides down and your back down. Since you sleep with everything going up and away from you, this will want to be stretched. For you long-haired girls, it's gonna make all this look longer because it's gonna stretch. But you'll continue all the volume up here. This little doohickey
It's amazing, you guys.
Is awesome. Not just for curly girls, but girls who like to set, girls who like to blow dry,
straighten,
and flat iron curls.
Yes, you want to keep your curls shiny. This is gonna be amazing. It's super soft, you guys. Not
super soft, super stretchy.
Look, super stretchy. Look, wait, let me show you this way. See that stretch? Fit on all hair types, all hair sizes, all head sizes. And guess what? Only sold in Ringletts. Get yours today.
Get your Ringletts Buff. It's called the Ringletts Buff. They're $20.
We
have tons of them, and we are letting everyone go home today with one half price. So
yes.
If you're visiting us today, it's your lucky day.
Yes.
So we hope you like our little tutorial on our new Ringletts Buff, and we are always working to make life better for you.
Yes.
Have a great day.
Yes, thank you.